Our chompers not only help us chew when we chow down on our favorite foods, but they also aid when we produce sounds and learn to speak. It's no secret that oral hygiene is a matter of utmost importance in almost every society. And even though we try and avoid it, we need to visit our dentists regularly for a checkup or a routine cleaning. And if you're lucky, you won't need a root canal. Sit back, settle into your seat, and let the novocaine kick in as we sink our teeth into teeth on this week's episode of FYI.
Welcome to For Your Info.
En inglés.
You got it.